So guys, we are today at the Fun City. Actually, this is near on the 4th floor of Inorbit Mall, Fun City, only for children. Exclusively for children. All the games are there, a lot of things are there, activities are there. So my son is doing right now this activity. Actually, you have to make a card here. आप कार्ड बनवा लीजिए यहाँ पर. अब कुछ वो देखिए, and you'll get some bonus points. Actually, today is weekend, so 2500 में 2500 we have paid for the card and we got 5000 points. And for every activity there is a point associated, so that will get deducted from your this card. So my son is doing some activities now. I have bought for him 2500. For 2500 rupees we have got 5000 points because today is Saturday Sunday special offer. But this card is valid till 11 months. Till 11 months he can use the points. So before this he was doing this activity, this car he was doing, that there are 35 points. Now this activity what he is doing is 80 points. So as of now he has done 15 points already and is enjoying this. So 115 points हो चुके हैं. हमारे पास 4885 balance है. 4885 is balance still. He is enjoying it. There are a lot of activities. See, lot of activities are here. Every activity has some points. You can tap and play. The full child zone, fun zone, and on 4th floor, near beside Chutneys. He is having a lot of fun. See, a lot of activities are there. Lot of people, children, kids, toddlers are having fun here. Nice. Now my son. So look, भाई लोग, हम लोग guys, we are at the fun zone now, and my child is going with the wife. He wants to see what activity next he can do. हम लोग देखते हैं क्या activity next करना है उसको. कुछ गेम्स वो देख रहा है. So guys, now see, my son and my wife both are sitting at a simulator basically. This is the simulator. Tap नहीं किया तुमने शायद. This is a simulator basically. Tap करो ना. So setting a simulator. पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ. They are having fun at a simulator now. ये सिमुलेट होगा, पूरा दिखाएगा कार रेसिंग की तरह. See this, as if they are racing with a car. ये बुबू कार रेसिंग बुबू कार रेसिंग. हमें धोरे आती देखा तूने नहीं कर. See, this car racing is going on and their chairs are. He's having fun driving car racing. So this is fine activities they are doing. Nice. Fun City is nice for children. बढ़िया यहाँ पर. You can have points. You can buy and have points and then avail them till 11 months with that card. Till 11 months. Validity is there. They are having fun with simulator basically. Actual simulation they are able to feel with car racing. See, nice one. Now into water. Boo-boo! Having fun? Yay! Yes. So guys, this is one other activity he is doing. I think it is 70 points here. He has to kill those. He has to, by water, he has to kill those lights, fire. To kill that fire battle. Udi ka deck. He is doing it. His mother is helping. The wife is helping him. He is having fun here also. बड़ा मजे कर रहा है. मज़ा आ रहा है उसको. अभी हमारा बैलेंस 4575 रह गया. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन 425 पॉइंट्स इन 4 एक्टिविटीज़. अभी 2 भी जाएंगे, ये लोग जाएंगे. हाँ, या यस. वाटर. more water. More are coming. You'll get some points. Pupu having fun, Baba. Yeah, Pupu having fun. Yeah. My wife is helping him out. Yes, yes, yes. Done, 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 done. Pass. अभी भी हो रहा है. Time है अभी भी. अभी भी है time. Still time is there. Pupu, बसो वहाँ बसो ताको. Enjoy करो. Pupu say yeah. Pupu say yeah. Say yeah. Yeah. Nice. अब see my son. Pupu see. Hello. Pupu hello. अरे इधर देखना है यार, क्या कर रहा है यार, वीडियो खराब कर रहा है. See my son is having this activity and my wife is also sitting. They are charging only for one person only. If a mother is sitting with the child, it is fine. See, this activity is starting now. My son and my wife are sitting. Yes, the activity started. Yay! Yes, 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 yes. Yay, Pupu, yay! This is very fun activity, yaar. Fun City is good for children. You have to churn out some money, good amount of money, but nonetheless it is good. People are having fun. मस्त है, बढ़िया है. This is good actually. This is good activity. A lot of good activities are there for nominal price. It is not like too much high price. It is done, I guess. Now it's going in reverse direction. Hello. Again starting, again starting, again starting, again. अभी ये फिर से चलने वाला है. एक बार थोड़ा हॉल्ट कर दिया उन्होंने और लोगों को बिठाने के लिए. They have already included some more people and now it is starting again. Stopped in between. Now the other way. Yeah, this is good. They're having fun, a lot of fun. Plus, my son and my wife. Cart is coming. Yes, yes. बेसिकली स्टॉप नाउ फाइनली, धीरे हो गया है और ये लोग रुक गए हैं फाइनली, दे आर एट हॉल्ट एंड दे विल कम आउट स्लोली। कम Kubu, come, how was it Baba? Come slowly, come slow, come down, don't fear। ये मस्त मजे किए हैं उन्होंने, बहुत देर थे, 5 मिनट के आसपास। कुबू, how was it बाबा? गुड ओके।